So how can you delete the sent friend requests on Facebook using your iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so what you need to do is obviously locate your Facebook app as usual, and in the bottom right corner, go to the menu. So you'll be able to see like your profile and all of the other pages. But just go to the friends section like that, and you can see the friends requests are at the top. So obviously these are the requests from other people sent to you, but you can click on see all, right? It will show it up in the full page, and then tap on the three dots in the top right again to make more options appear. And then at the bottom, you can find viewing the sent friend requests, right? So that's what we are talking about. It's those that you have requested from other people. And in there, you'll be able to see them right away, like browse it, whatever. And you obviously have the ability to retrieve it, right? Or to like cancel it. But usually the issue is not remembering specifically the people that you have sent the request to, right? So that's like the way to find it in a nice list if you have any of them available. So I really hope that I could help you out with this. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos of these kinds in the future as well, so you never miss anything important. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.